This vore kosheto. Happy birthday, Muno, ungras cortatuzo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Father. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Father. May God bless you abundantly.
Dear Fr Patricio, wishing you a very happy, blessed and joyous birthday, Father. As we celebrate another year of life, may you continue to inspire and uplift our souls with your devotion. Your dedication to your faith and community is truly admirable and commendable. May your birthday be filled with the same love and joy you bring to others. May God bless you and grant you long life, prosperity and happiness for all your days. God bless you, Father.
Happy birthday, Father. Wish you a very happy birthday. We thank you for being an encouragement to one and all in their low times in their daily lives. Your kind words give solace to the meek, and your blessings to St. Francis Xavier at the Basilica gives them peace. May you have many, many more birthdays to come. God bless. Happy birthday, Father.
Happy birthday, Father, once again.